How's it going? So this week I'm going to show you how to set up time tracking directly within Notion using a cool free tool called EverHour. Let's go ahead and dive in. So to get started with EverHour, I've got a link to this in the newsletter, but you will want to get to a page like this. EverHour integrates directly with Notion to supercharge your project management. We'll get started by clicking Try with My Notion. Okay, and as that gets loaded up, you'll then select your workspace, your main workspace that you'd like to track time within. Click Select Pages. Now you can select all private pages if you'd like, or you can select the very particular page that you're going to want to track your time on, such as I'm doing in this example. So then we'll click Allow Access. It'll go through some authorizations, and then you will arrive on in the back end or the dashboard of EverHour. So let me move myself real quick to show you the next step. Next, we're going to go to our integrations, and we can see, and you should be able to confirm that you have integrated with Notion. So next step, we're gonna now download the Chrome browser extension of EverHour, which you can see I've already done here, but you will have a button that will take you directly to this page here. So next, super simple, you've downloaded browser extensions before, we'll download that. And then next you will see, it may automatically do it, but if not, go ahead and click on the EverHour browser extension and you'll have one more authorization to make. There will be a yellow banner here that says something like allow access or grant permission. That'll be the final step to adding the EverHour app to your Notion page. And after clicking yes, giving it the thumbs up here, if you were to have a Notion tab open, you would see it immediately refresh. And the cool part, you would notice some of these play looking buttons. If you have a database open, and I recommend you to start with this one here, and these are your super handy, super convenient time trackers. So the way EverHour looks at your Notion database is that every row is a task, which is pretty accurate and which is really convenient. So if I open up this example task here, user experience audit, you can see I've already spent 48 minutes working on this task. And that is done by simply at the beginning of the task. If you're a freelancer consultant, you know how this works. You start the timer at the beginning, you stop your timer at the end, and you log the amount of time that you have spent on that task. So say in the instance you forgot to, because that happens, I've done that 100 times, and you need to retroactively add time to a specific task. Well, EverHour is considered that, and it's very convenient. You can see the workflow I'm following here. Let's say I spent 30 minutes on this task last Thursday. You could add some notes if you'd like to. Click save, and it'll add that time to your total amount of time spent on this task. Another feature that I like is the estimate, because man, I'm a perfectionist. I can get spending more minutes and frankly hours than I need to on specific tasks. I can kind of set a guardrail for myself here and say, no, I really don't want to spend more than an hour 30 on this task. So I'm getting pretty close to the max that I want to spend on it. Last cool thing I want to show you of EverHours is you can load up their app. It's a nice pop-up. It's kind of a nice summary of the dashboard you would get if you were logged into the EverHour app. But one quick thing, if you do attribute your hourly rate, it'll start to calculate, and there's a bunch of cool billing features with EverHour. I'm not going to hit on that here because that comes with some of their premium subscriptions. This all so far is what's offered for free. But pretty cool. You could associate how much you charge per hour to see what you're making as you log your time. But you also get some really convenient summaries of how you're spending your time. Could be on a monthly basis, could be in regards to specific tasks. And you can see that the names are getting piped in from Notion directly. You've got a nice timesheet to see how much time per day, per week that you're spending. And then even if you were more of a team setting, you can see here who is spending what amount of time on certain projects, on certain tasks, and you can further filter down from that. But yeah, at a high level, EverHour, really cool, really convenient, great free solution for tracking your time directly here in Notion. And I hope you use it. Hope you enjoy it. See you next week. Cheers.